Hello and welcome, people. It's Nancy, and this is an update video. In this update video, I'm going to be exploring the Relation Chrome plugin, particularly the chats function. So I realized I'd been making a couple of videos. I made a guide on the friend information page. That's my previous video. However, in this video, I'm going to be specifically exploring the chat function. I'm just going to be basically checking out what I can do with the Relation Chrome chat function. So to do that, I created a group with my friend and then the relation bot. See, you can check it out right here. This are the group members. This is me right here, my friend, and then the relation bot. I can decide to invite new friends and then kick out whoever I want. The group name is New Group with Friends. I have no announcements set up. I can also decide to transfer ownership of the club. I do not want to do that yet. Right here, I can also choose to mute notifications, as well as clicking here and putting up a sticky on top. Right, let me go back and just get right into chatting. Okay, so this is going to be short. I want to try out putting out a cool emoji out there. Here's my emoji. So this is the emoji function. Let me delete that. Okay, delete. I want to choose a better emoji. Something cool. Right there. Okay, so this is an emoji, and let me reply to what I just put out there. Cool emoji. Okay, right here, this shows that I can reply to a specific message. This is a recent upgrade because the chat function wasn't this way before. Now I can be specific about whatever I'm replying to. And I'm not sure you've noticed, see right here, the timing shows when you bring the cursor close to each message. So this was sent a few minutes ago, and this shows that I interacted with Nancy today, a few minutes ago as well. Okay, so moving forward, I am going to try to upload, and then to upload, you simply click right here on this button, so it loads up. And then the great part of this feature is you can get to put a couple of documents or whatever you want to upload right here. So let me click open up my desktop, and let me click on this image and then open. So it loads up right here. You can see right here. And then I could also decide to add as many pictures as I want, and then I can select from any of these and then upload it. So this is right here, and now that's done. Check out the NFT feature. I actually only have one NFT. So this is my NFT from the Relation Adventure campaign that was just recently concluded. I'm going to be clicking on this and uploading this. So it's right here, and this is a more specific picture, particularly for images. I bet I could also put out videos as well, but I don't necessarily want to upload something too long. So basically, you could also decide to upload a video as well as an image. So let me just put this up. Okay, this was this was a relation party screenshot I took. So let me send that. It's taking a while to load because it's a bit of a big file. Okay, that's loaded. Can choose to zoom into this by clicking right here. Nice. I can also choose to flip flip this way. I can also choose to download the image, although that's a bit pointless because I already have the image. So you can choose to download the image by clicking right here. So this is really nice. So I'll be canceling this. I like that I can explore the image anyhow I want. So let I'm just going to delete this and delete this as well. Just want to test out features, and that should include the delete button as well. So this is the favorite icon. In my previous video, I explored the relation floats as well as sharing a web page, adding a web page to your favorite. So that links up to this part of my guide. If you've not checked out the relation float or the favorite button, you can check out my previous video where I detail on that. Okay, so click right here, and these are my favorited pages. This is the official relation account, so I can choose to send that, and done. So by simply using the relation float and adding any web page to favorite, I can make sure this gets sent to friends within my group. That's fantastic. I want to send a message again, and let me go back to this group information part of the group, and let me make an announcement. Okay, nothing too special. Active. Okay, there's a little typo right here. Let me edit this. I'm active, and let me set the top announcement and click on save. So that is done. It says I'm active, and let's see what that does. Going back, and pops up right here. And most importantly, because it's been set at the top, it is right here. You could use this to send very important messages. This is a mock message. For example, if there's going to be a new campaign in the group or some important information you have to pass, to be a very nice feature to use. I'm gonna go back and see if I could I don't want to mute notifications. Right here I could disband the group or transfer ownership. Okay, I can transfer ownership to my friend who is a part of the group or the relation bot, as well as confirm using this button. I will not be doing that, so let me go back. You know what would be really fantastic? Kicking out somebody. I could kick out somebody. Okay, so I could also choose to kick out my friend or the relation bot, but I will not be doing that. I'm just showing you that you can kick out by clicking and confirming. You could also choose to disband the group like I said earlier. Alright, that is it for this video. I'm pretty pumped. I've explored the relation chat function, which is pretty much like other chat functions, simple, easy to use, and really cool with a host of features. If you have any questions, make sure to drop them at the comment box. If there's a feature on the relation chat that I have not explored, please drop it at the comment box, and I would like to drop some tips up for you and then put you through anything that will serve as a guide. I'm right here. Alright guys, thank you for sticking. Apparently I have 5 subscribers right now, and I'm pretty excited. Make sure to tell your friends about the channel and stay tuned. Bye guys.